Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. I am going to solve the problem based on my previous video. So in previous video, I derived the expression for skin depth and I explained the Maxwell's equation and boundary condition. So I will now solve the problem based on that video. So if you do not watch that video, please go and watch. So I am going to start the problem. So our first question is the Maxwell's equation based on Ampere's law. As I already give you the table of Maxwell's equation, and here the Ampere's law in differential form is del cross H is equals to J plus dou t by dou t, and integral form is here. So in our question the Ampere's law is option B. So our correct answer will be option B. Next problem is skin depth in a homogeneous media of resistivity ρ1 and ρ2 are 100 meter and 200 meter respectively. At 1000 Hz frequency, the ratio ρ1 divided by ρ2 will be. So here given as skin depth is 100 meter and 200 meter for different media, and the frequency is 1000 Hz. So the formula we have derived for skin depth is del is equals to 503.8 square root in square root rho by f. So for two media the formula will be del 1 divided by del 2 and can be written in the form of this, where f1 is equals to f2 is equals to 1000 Hz, del 1 is 100 meter and del 2 is 200 meter. By putting del 1 and del 2 here and left hand side, and f1 is equals to f2, so this will be cancelled out. So in square root only ρ1 and ρ2 will be there. So by solving we get ρ1 divided by ρ2 will be 0.25. Next problem is which one of the following Maxwell's equation is not correct for time varying electromagnetic field. So Maxwell's equation in differential form are Gauss law, Faraday law, Faraday law, Gauss law of magnetics, and Ampere's law. So Ampere's law is del cross H is equals to J plus dou t by dou t. So it contains time variant term, and in option A, which is not contain time variant term, so this option is not correct. The next problem is in free space the integral form of Faraday law is expressed as. So integral form in Faraday law is given by this expression. So our answer will be option B. Next problem is a statement for linked answer question. An electromagnetic wave of a frequency 25 Hz is impinging on a homogeneous half space having a resistivity of 100 ohm meter. So here frequency is given 25 Hz and resistivity is given as 100 ohm meter. So formula for skin depth will be 510 in square root rho by f, where rho is resistivity and f is frequency. So we can easily calculate the skin depth value in meter will be 1007.6 meter. So our option is in kilometer, so delta will be our 1 kilometer. So option A will be correct. Now the next problem is the velocity of the electromagnetic wave is close to. So the formula for velocity is given by this expression in terms of wave number and angular frequency. So k is wave number and omega is angular frequency, where k is proportional to skin depth. So velocity will be angular frequency into skin depth. So angular frequency in terms of frequency is given by 2 pi f and del is skin depth. So velocity value will be 2 pi into 25 into 1. So answer will be 50 pi kilometers per second, because here we use del in kilometer unit. So our answer will be 50 pi kilometer per second. 50 pi kilometer per second. Next problem is a unit amplitude of electromagnetic wave at thrice the skin depth will be reduced to. So for a skin depth, amplitude is reduced by 1 by E for a skin depth. So for 2 skin depth, the amplitude will be decreased by 1 upon E square, and for 3 skin depth, amplitude will be decreased by 1 over e to the power 3. So our answer will be e to the power minus 3. E to the power minus 3 will be answer. So for n skin depth, the answer will be e to the power n for n skin depth. So option D will be correct. Also in terms of percentage, the amplitude will decrease by 36.78% for 1 skin depth.